Have you ever been there? You're trying to upload a PDF, you hit send and boom, file sizes are too large. Gmails matter you, WhatsApp won't take it, everything is crashing around, what's even happening? Yeah, we've all been there. So instead of digging through 20 sketchy online compressors that probably want to sell you resume to the dark web, let me show you something way easier. Today I'm gonna walk you through compressing PDFs in literally seconds using PDFelement on Windows, Mac, iPhone and Android. All of them. And yeah, your files probably get smaller without turning into a pixeled mess. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. If you work with PDFs regularly like resumes, invoices, contracts, scan receipts, those 200-page study notes. So here is the cleanest fix I found across every device I own. Let's start with Windows. Open up PDFelement on your PC, import the PDF you want to shrink. Once it's open, head to the Tools tab at the top and click Compress PDF. You will see 3 levels, low, medium and high. Now don't let the name trick you. Low compression means high quality, high compression means tiny file. I know it's a little backwards, but you'll get it. If you want it to still look crisp, say for a portfolio or something like that, go with the low or medium. If you just need something small, in a case of like 5 MB attachment, go high. Click apply, save new PDF, and here we go. Seriously, that's it. We're good to go. Can you believe it? What I really like is that there is no math, no advanced settings or whatever, just like super simple flow, and I'm really appreciate it. Alright, Mac users, your turn I guess. Honestly, if you're on a Mac, the flow is almost identical. Open your PDF inside PDFelement, click Tool, then hit Compress, pick your compression level, save the file, and here we go. This one is a lifesaver if you're a student uploading an assignment late at night or whatever. So here we go. Now let's go mobile. iPhone first. Grab the PDFelement app from the Apple Store, links down in the description by the way. Open it up, import the PDF you want to compress, tap the More Tools menu, that's the 3-dot icon, and select Compress PDF. Choose your quality, save the file, and that's a wrap. This one's huge if you work on the go. I travel a lot and being able to fix a bloated PDF on my phone instead of pulling out my laptop in a coffee shop has saved me way more times than I want to admit, honestly. Android users, I didn't forget about you, so install the PDFelement Android app from Google Play, open your PDF inside the app, tap the Tools menu, choose Compress PDF, pick your level, save it, and you're good. From there you can fire it off straight to email, WhatsApp, Telegram, Drive, whatever. So yeah, same workflow as iOS pretty much, so here we go. And that's it. 4 devices, 1 tool, about 30 seconds of actual work on each. PDFelement makes compressing PDFs actually painless. And yes, time to a quick tip before I wrap. If you regularly send PDFs to the same kind of place, just pick your compression level once and stick with it. Medium is the sweet spot for 90% of stuff, so save yourself the decision fatigue. If this video saved you some time today, hit like, subscribe, and check out PDFelement through the link in the description. See you in the next one.